Hi, this is your dietitian Anuradha here. Watermelon versus muskmelon. Now summer has come. We are going with more hydrating summer fruits, right? So which is more hydrating? Let us see. Yeah, very interesting, right? See, water content wise, watermelon has got 92% of water in it. So that's why it's considered as one of the most hydrating fruit. Whereas muskmelon, 89 to 90% water. So here, watermelon is better in terms of water content and hydration. So you can go for watermelon if you want to get more hydrated. Coming to electrolyte balance, muskmelon has more potassium, slightly more compared to watermelon. So to maintain fluid balance, your electrolyte balance, so prefer muskmelon. So that's what it says. Sugar content wise, watermelon has slightly high sugar content, while muskmelon has little bit lower in sugar content. So consume watermelon in smaller portions if you are diabetic because it is slightly higher in sugar content. Digestion wise, muskmelon is very good. It goes very good on digestive system. So go for muskmelon if you have any digestive issues. Mostly because the watermelon has bit of sugar content. So digestion wise, it takes a toll. Antioxidant wise, both contain antioxidants. Watermelon has more lycopene, vitamin A. Muskmelon has got rich content of beta carotene, which is very good for your eyes. Yeah. Well, in conclusion, what to go for? Like, if you want to go for instant hydration, high water content, and more refreshing experience, like cooling effect, you can go for watermelon. If you want to maintain your electrolyte balance, your BP is fluctuating, and you want to maintain electrolyte balance and better digestion, milder sweetness, and if you have acidity also, both are alkaline fruits, but muskmelon might do wonders. So that's what it is like. So why include your summer fruits? Why it is very important? Because including healthy food, especially these summer fruits, ensures proper hydration, which will prevent heat stroke and dehydration. Essential nutrients to maintain your energy and digestion. Lighter meals, right? These fruits are very lighter meals that keeps the body cool and refreshed. So that's the reason these summer fruits, including these summer fruits in your daily menu, is very, very important. If you want to know more details and you want to connect with me with more about your diet and exercise and your mindfulness, you can always connect with me at AJC Nutrition and Heal. I am there to help you out. Thank you. Good day.